Hi everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. I apologize for not having an intro for this video, but as I mentioned in Monday's video, I'm dealing with an RA flare and I just haven't felt well enough to put makeup on and get in front of the camera, but I hope you will enjoy this haul anyway. So yeah, thanks so much. So I'm going to start with the top. I don't know if you guys remember Maya Road. I don't think they're producing anymore. I actually found what's called their sister company. I think it's Bethany Lane on Etsy, and they didn't have a whole lot of things available, but they did have these two things. So I want to start a bullet journal. I think I've said this before. I've tried to start in the past and I just couldn't get myself like going on it, but it's something I want to do. I may not start it till the mid-year. I don't know. And it's not going to be like, I'm not going to draw in it. I may stamp in it. Anyway, getting ahead of myself. So I wanted some date stamps, and then I really loved this because it stamps the little calendars that everybody writes out. There's no way on God's green earth that I could write that much. So these two I picked up off Etsy. I picked some things up from Rabbit Hole Design. I don't know if you guys are familiar with them. They sent a little rabbit clip. Isn't that the cutest? And then a little bit of sequins, and then a thank you card. Thank you for your order. And then my invoice is attached. I'm not a fan of their caffeinated line. I think that's the same artist that does those girls for Stampin' Bella. That's just not for me. If you enjoy it, that's perfectly fine, but it's just not a design that I prefer. So I'll show you what I like, and they were having what I liked on clearance, and I kept meaning to pick them up, and I never did, so I bit the bullet. This, however, was not on clearance. This is brand new. Is that not the cutest little bunny illustration you've ever seen in your entire life? This reminds me of Pepe Le Pew on Looney Tunes, and the sentiment is in French. Cute, right? So these are what I've been most excited about. So I think, I got the coordinating dies. These are on like major clearance. I think I paid like $5 for the dies. Let me see. Let's just look, Misty. Okay. So, it doesn't have the price. Anyway, they were bundled and they were on sale, so I got them. So this is called Heart Dance, and I love this illustration. And then this one is called, what is this one called? Love You More. If you guys have been with me for forever, I don't know that I kept it. I had a planner cover with this art, and I loved it, and I looked everywhere for this art. So I don't know if they purchased clip art, if they have this is the artist that did it. I don't know, but I love this style. So cute. And then this was a bundle. So this is their Christmas Frost collection. So you got them decorating a tree, and then you got them carrying packages. I guess I could read the sentiments, Missy. Can you tell how long it's been since I've done a haul or filmed a video? You make my heart dance. Oh, my ears are so stuffy. I hate when I do that, I yawn, but my ears are stuffy and I feel like I'm talking weird. Okay, so love and kiss, and then is in the air. I love you more. Happy Valentine's Day. You feel like home to me. I love that sentiment. I really love that sentiment. That's a great sentiment. For the Christmas one, it says, let it snow, deck the halls, rocking around the Christmas tree, which is one of my favorite Christmas songs. Walking in a winter wonderland, all I want for Christmas is you, and meet me under the mistletoe. I think those are all songs, aren't they? So that's it from Rabbit Hole Designs. You will 100% see me use one of these stamp sets in this Valentine's card series that was interrupted because of an RA flare. So I guess I can take a second to explain it. So I have rheumatoid arthritis, and I also have type 2 diabetes. So I was taking Humira injections for the arthritis, and back in December when I was fasting, I realized that Humira was the issue. I was having issues with my blood sugars being elevated, and it was the Humira. So I stopped the Humira, which probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but I did it and it's done. But my inflammation markers doubled. And so I've basically been in one long RA flare, and I've been fasting. So I have felt like absolute garbage the last week. So I'm not going to apologize for not having videos, because I want to get out of that habit. Like, I have to take care of me. And if I'm not physically able or mentally able to film, I'm just not physically or mentally able to film. So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm supposed to break my fast today, but I'm not hungry yet. But I see the rheumatologist on the 8th. So hopefully I'll get new medicine, and hopefully everything will play nicely together. That's what I need. Just play nicely together. Okay, so I have some Simon Says stamp stuff. This is actually 2 hauls, and I'll try to remember which was which, but I probably won't. So let's see. That was, yes, I can do this. Okay. Let's start with the first haul. I think I got to pick this up closer, like right after Christmas. This is Introverts Unite. So Introverts Unite, preferably alone at home when it's convenient, of course. Oh, you guys can't even say that. But don't use exclamation points as they draw too much attention. Separately, I saw, I left early. I love that you get me if you can. Social distancing is my love language. I've been training for this my whole life. Read this card. It probably means we're not in the same room, and I'm totally okay with that. I love that you text before calling. You can always cancel with me. I'd love to catch up, but I'm ready to, but I already talked to people this week, and then canceling plans is my love language. I just thought that was funny because I am an introverted extrovert, and yeah, I can relate. And I'm a Taurus. So it all goes together. Then I picked up this one. This was their release, and this is called Heart Animals. And I got the matching die. Aren't they just cute? It says, you are special to me. Hey, you. XOXO. Oh, happy day. I really like you. Sending hugs and kisses, and happy Valentine's Day. So I thought the kitty and I think that's a dog and that's a dog. I don't know. I thought they were cute and simple. Something that you could do with kids or whatever. Not that kids are doing Valentine's, unless they're in school in person. I don't even know what's going on. And then I picked up this. This is the Love Greeting Mix. This is what I really need to focus on in 2021 is buying sentiment stamps, because I sure don't have very many of them. There's nobody else I'd rather spend time with. I sort of maybe love you a lot. XOXO, I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh. You are always everything. You will always have my heart. Happy Valentine's Day, love. I love you more each day. Want to cuddle. Pretty sure we're meant to be. To the one who has my heart. Happy Valentine's Day. Love you. Be mine. Hey, love. Your weird and my weird are a perfect match. I love that I can be myself with you. Hello, love. Love. You captured my heart. And then love. So a lot of great greetings. This is one of their 6x8 stamp sets. I think these are $24, $22. I don't remember. So yeah. So that was like back in the end of December, 1st of January. And then this I bought just a couple of weeks ago. So you knew I had to get this one. Come on now. This is Perfect Valentine. And it's little grumpy kitties. It's little Roxy. She's got her own stamp set. So it says, meh. Oh my God, that is amazing. Meow. XO, I think you're perfect. I find you tolerable. Oh my God, that is hilarious. My cat is my Valentine. Let's just be friends. Hi, there's a wine glass. You got little baby hearts and stuff. Put a ring on it. I love you, but I hate Valentine's Day. You're the cat's whiskers. Cupid rhymes with stupid. This may be the best stamp set I've ever purchased in my whole entire life. This is hilarious. Oh my gosh, that is great. Oh my word. I got this one from Pretty Pink Posh because I want to get some more birthday stamps, and I love that this goes, it could fit probably a slimline card. So this is called Party Days, and they're just little Polaroids of porcupine, some balloons. Excuse me. Sorry guys, opening my ears, trying to open my ears has caused me to start yawning, and I apologize. A cat, you got the balloons, and you got some cupcakes. But this is the stamp set I'm most disappointed in, and it's my own fault for not checking the measurements. I thought this was a 6x8 stamp set, and I thought this was going to be considerably bigger. And I thought, oh, that would be perfect, like, to start the bullet journal. But it's a little bit smaller than I anticipated. So not quite my favorite. It's called Wonderful Banner, and it has the banner, and you can fit the sentiments. It says, "You are wonderful, so very much, the best, and thank you." So yeah, not my favorite now that I have it in person, but we'll see what I can do with it. Or maybe I'll give it away. This one is Best Friend Ever. I don't understand the name of this stamp set since it's all about flowers, but hey, whatever. Thinking of you, flowers for my friend, best friend ever. Everyone needs a friend like you, and thank you. So that font is kind of cute. So you got, I'm not even gonna try to guess. I know that's a peony. Poppies, maybe? I don't know. I'm not gonna even try to guess. I'm not even gonna try to guess. And then if you spent so much money, you got a free stamp set. So this is Faraway Hugs. So it's love you. There's a helicopter, a boat, a train, a plane, and a bike. And then you get I love you, a yacht. That's funny. I really love you, like wheels. I miss you, paper hug, boatloads, plain and simple. We might be miles apart, but you have my heart. Happy Valentine's Day. Then I picked up some paper because I don't have any Valentine's Day paper except that one crepe paper I was using. So this is a Simple Stories Sweet Talk. And they're 6x8. You get 24 papers. So they always include some that you can just frame as art. In my house, I don't know if I've talked about this before. We have 2 gallery walls. If I can think about it, I'll try to post a picture. And at the time, I think it was My Mind's Eye that did these big chalk, like 12x12 papers. It's like some kind of chalk collection. And I framed like the 8.5x11s. I framed the 4x6s. I framed the 5x7s. Like I went crazy. They're great. My gallery wall looks amazing. If I do say so myself. So lots of fun patterns, throwing in some blues and some other colors to offset the pink. The sloth is cute, but he's not my favorite illustration. Then I picked up this one from Honeybee Stamps. This is called Love Letters. Oh no, where's that stamp? I got their little raccoon. You stole my heart. I don't know where that is. Maybe I already put it away. That came from Scrapbook Pal. I bought that when I was doing my design team order. Okay. So this is my first time getting paper from them, so I don't know anything about it. It is double-sided. Come on now. Why did I get Love Man from Dirty Dancing stuck in my head all of a sudden? So you get some that are, you know, traditionally Valentine's Day, but you also get some solids and some ones that you can use for other things. That's pretty. This ombre watercolory look. And I love how it's gradient. That's a great plaid for fall. Love the black and white. This would be cute. Just color out a few of them and slap a sentiment on it. Missy, why don't you make that in a card? Okay, Misty, maybe you'll think about it. And then it just repeats. And then this one is my favorite. And I am so sad because I don't think they made this into a 6x6. I looked everywhere. Scrapbook Pal, cherry on top. I looked everywhere, and I don't think this came in a 6x6. And that's really disappointing because it's hella cute. It does have a matching stamp set that has the birds. I may end up picking that up, but I don't know. I haven't decided. The thing is, I have a lot of Valentine's and love themed stamps. I just didn't have very many papers. You guys, Rob is shopping. That's why you keep carrying my phone. Rob is shopping, and this is the first time in 3 weeks he's had to actually get groceries. So before he was just grabbing whatever he eats for the week. Okay, he's going to be home soon, so I gotta finish up. So anyway, he's having to buy, like, the grocery list is large, and he's having to go everywhere, and I feel so sad for him, but I haven't eaten, and now we need groceries. Okay, so this is the love letters. I mean, it's just so cute. As you guys know, I always encourage you to use these. If you're not pocket scrapbooking, use them on cards. They're perfect. The reds are a little different. Look at this. This is a bright red, and that is a very dark, maybe they're the same on camera. In person, this is very desaturated. I don't know that I love it. Looks like you get 2 of each page. You can buy individual papers from Scrapbook Pal and a cherry on top, I believe. Birds are really hella cute. This is a great pattern. I love that. I love the black with the pink and the red. You guys know I'm for non-traditional colors. This is really pretty. This is a great floral. I'm gonna make sure everything's alright, cause I'm a love man. It's stuck. It's gonna be stuck there all day. That says Be My Valentine. I did my nails today and I'm having a hard time. I'm having a rough day. It's been a rough day. I love this. This is just so cute. I do wish it, you guys know, I love black and white, and that's a great plaid. I wish it wasn't so desaturated. Like, I wish it was a more vibrant red, but they didn't ask me. And I'm not designing my own paper, so there you go. And then, of course, you get the sticker sheet. 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And these are paper, they're not chipboard, but these are great. We'll definitely be making a card, or maybe several cards, with this selection of things. Your question of the day is, what is your favorite stamp set from this haul? I hope to have a card for you again on Friday. I know you guys saw the card on Monday from Scrappy Tells, and I hope to get. I'm gonna try to shoot for 2 videos a week, in hopes that I can do 3, at least until I get on this medication and get my life right. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for always being so supportive, and your comments are so sweet. If you're waiting for your prize from 12 Days of Elfmas, I have to wait for Rob to get paid again, so it'll be another week or so, and then I will be able to get those in the mail, because there's 12 of you, and they're about $4 a package, so gotta wait for that. But yeah, so anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I love your faces, and I'll see you in the next video.